The racist, anti-black, corrupt DA has been caught in the act of corruption. Listen to this clip and watch it.
And that is the rollout of the MyCity bus. And in the housing departments, we have seen two scandals now involving the city of Cape Town. The 1.6 billion allegedly around the urban mobility projects, and the 1.8 billion rand where there are current prosecutions underway relating to housing projects. And so in the areas where there's large amounts of funding and big budgets, both are contaminated by corruption allegations. Yet the city receives a clean audit. And this is why this idea that a clean audit means that a city is running above board always is a fallacious one. And we have to stop making a big deal around clean audits, because they do not expose the rot that is in any municipality or any government department.
Now, guys, tell me, how many times have we had, especially in the mainstream media, have we heard the stories that the DA, the Democratic Alliance, is good when it comes to governance, that the DA governs better where it governs? That is a mantra and a propaganda that we've been abused, that has been drummed into our ears whenever we open the mainstream media platforms, be it television, be it radio, and newspapers. And of course, this is done so in conjunction between those mainstream media platforms and the so-called analysts, who, of course, you know that their agenda of existence is to protect the status quo. This very same mainstream media platforms and the so-called analysts are in the pockets of the very same people who are funding the Democratic Alliance. Therefore, the propaganda that they disseminate, it is the propaganda where they take the cue from those who fund the DA, who wants to consistently portray the DA as a political party that governs better. But on the ground, people who live where the DA governs, they've got a totally different experience, especially the black people. I'm not talking about the white people and the few black elites. I'm talking about the black people who need real services, who need the government that is a government in action. You ask yourself the questions, with the kind of corruption that is being exposed, especially in the clip that I've just played you guys, you ask yourself the question, how is it possible that the DA keeps getting these clean audits? We need to ask question, fundamental questions. There are systematic problems here that white corruption is being hidden under the carpet. And this is to create a narrative that white people are not corrupt, that it is only black people who are corrupt. That is the agenda that's being driven here. That is why the DA keeps getting clean audits, but on the ground, things are totally different to what people are witnessing on the ground, what the mainstream media is portraying out there to the public and to the world. My name is Tebus Kosana. The name of our platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Please, guys, if you like this content, guys, please join to become a member. Buy me the super thanks. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much, my Africa.